Always wondered how you can change mouse cursors in Windows 11? Here's how. The first option is to click right mouse button on the desktop, then select Personalize. Select Bluetooth and Devices, and go to Mouse. Scroll down and select Additional Mouse Settings. Then select the Pointers tab. Here you can load custom or default mouse cursor presets. Select the one you want and click on Apply. This will change the mouse cursor scheme. When you have selected custom cursors, you can save the scheme here. Click on OK to apply. Another option is to go to the Start menu and search for Mouse, then select Mouse Settings, and scroll down to Additional Mouse Settings. Select the Pointers tab, and you will see the same menu again. For more interesting how-to videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks.